my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know that I can. So baby, please don't let me blow. Baby, please don't let me blow. You can't do this, but I know that I can. You gotta do this from the heart. You won't do this, you won't start. I just gotta play the cards in my hand.
What's going on, fam? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy FourPointSixChris, and we're finally back with the car, man. So yeah, guys, before we start, I kind of just want to apologize to you guys for not uploading last week. I feel like I shouldn't be dropping push content or rush content, you know what I mean? So I wanted to give you guys good content, so I figured I might as well take a break last week since I didn't have anything to film. And I didn't want to give you guys trash. I didn't want to just force something on you guys. I hope you guys understand. But yeah, guys, if I drop something, I want you guys to enjoy it, and I want you guys to be entertained, and I want to give you guys junk. And so that's the case. So yeah, man, today, as you guys can see, we got the racing shoes on right now, man. I got my boy's shirt on, PB Performance, and you guys can see. Oh man, yes sir. They got that bottle in there. We're about to get retuned today, man. So I know you guys been waiting for a long time, and look, it is about that time, man. We are getting retuned for the 150 shot, man. So I got my boy on the way right now. I was getting the car ready, getting it all buttoned up, getting the nitrous bottle, everything ready. So when he gets here, he can hop in, start tuning, and we'll be all good. But as of right now, man, we're just waiting for him to show up. I'm gonna get the wrenches to get the plate all loosened up so I can put the new jets in there. But when he gets here, he said he's gonna work on the NA part. He said I don't want to think about the nitrous right now. We're gonna work on the NA part, and then we'll start tuning the nitrous, man. So you guys are gonna be along for the whole ride. I hope you guys enjoy this, man. It's gonna be freaking awesome. So stay tuned, man. Thank you guys so much. All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. This is my boy Phil. He's on the laptop right now, and he's working on the car. We're at the house for a while. He was working on the bass file and everything like that, and I wasn't gonna bore you guys with that. So finally out on the road, we did a couple hits already, NA hits, and it feels a lot better already. I thought the wideband was messed up. You guys told me for the longest time that the wideband was reading way too lean and everything at idle, and sometimes even on wide open throttle hits. But now the wideband is working. He fixed it up, so he said he's gonna adjust some more things, and we're about to do a nitrous hit right now. So I'll bring you guys along for it, and we'll see what it does, man. It feels really, really good. So really excited. So you guys just stay tuned.
Got him! Got him!
Pulls on these slicks, you feel how it gets like that?
Yeah, he's a little sway.
Yeah. It's way different on radials.
So I have it at 22 right now. The MBT's like 26, so yeah. 22 should be fine for a 100 shot.
So you want a second? that shot let out of it?
Yeah.
Like it was like 15, 16 on top of third.
Is it a dry shot or a
Wet shot.
It's a wet shot?
Yeah.
So that means we're gonna have to have different tunes for nitrous and whatnot.
Yeah, yeah.
So it was like at what was it, like 15?
Yeah, 15, 16.
15, 16?
Yeah.
So you're at the different tunes, one for NA and then one for nitrous.
Yeah, yeah.
Because usually the wet shot for it should compensate for the fuel, you know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah.
But it's not.
Should I pull over?
Yeah. You can monitor the wide band and I'll look at your spark, make sure.
Okay. When should I let out if it goes over?
Anything over 12.2, let out.
Jumped up to 14 and then went back down.
That's the fuel, right?
Huh?
You hit 12.9 or 10.9?
Yeah.
10.9.
When I first hit it, yeah. I was full throttle and it cut out. I'm not sure what that was.
When it cut out is when it hit 10.9, right?
I don't think so.
Yeah.
It sucks because it doesn't pop up on the log, right?
No, because it's the white band.
Yeah.
It's not hooked into like the software.
Yeah.
So it's just monitoring like that.
Shit.
But it's up top, right? Up top is where it's at 10.9?
Yeah. On nitrous, or do you want it to be at what?
11.8.
11.8. You think even if it's a wet shot, I'd be running out of fuel?
If it's a wet shot, you'd be running out of fuel?
Yeah.
The way you'll tell if you're running out of fuel is if it's going lean, it just doesn't come down.
Yeah. That's why I put a pump on it just for like the 150 shot. No one on these roads out here.
That's good.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, it's hot.
Yeah.
You know, it's a sticky surface.
For sure, the roads are cooking. You ready?
Yep.
Yeah, cut out again at 10.
You can cut it to 10.
Yeah. 10 out.
I wonder if the fuel started to spray again.
Oh no. Would you like it like a 4,000?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah. Cut out at 10 out.
Very top, right?
Yeah, very top. I was about to shift and it cut out. Why would it be going to 10 out like that?
I'm thinking the fuel is starting to spray, right? So I need to just go to that specific point and take the fuel out at that point.
Yeah.
Because I added a lot of fuel, so now it's just taking it out.
Yeah. Turn that on. I did that at the track. I bogged like a motherfucker.
What's that?
The nitrous, I forgot to turn the switch on. Yeah, yeah.
So now we're hitting those cells. So 700, 680 to 781. So we'll put that same 30.
Yeah. No, I like 5,500 and cut out. That same thing to 10.
10?
Yeah.
Alright, that was good though.
I was like, damn, it's pulling, it's good, it's good. Then it stopped.
Very top. Right. It just gets rich, that's all it is. So once I get that fixed.
Yeah. Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome back. I just got done editing this video right now for you guys, and I just wanted to let y'all know I really hope you guys enjoy it, because it is low-key a lot of work for this video right here, because you know I just kept the GoPro running and there's a bunch of dead space like in the video on like where we would stop, because we stopped or loaded up another tune, ran it, stopped, did it all over again so many times, probably about like 25 times. And I'm not trying to dog Philip, because you know he's an awesome tuner, man. He knows what he's doing, but he was using a new software, you know, it's kind of confusing him in some areas, but you know, we eventually got it. And you know, this is gonna conclude day 1 of the 150 shot. You know, you guys saw that we were tuning on the 100 shot and it started cutting out. It started going to 10-0, 10-0, 10-0.
Coronavirus! Coronavirus! I'm telling you, shit is real! Shit is getting real!
But we eventually figured out the problem. I'm not sure if it's my nitrous line that's too long, but at the start of the hit, it takes a little while for the fuel to come from the fuel solenoid all the way into the plate. And that's why if he threw all the fuel at it at once in the tune, it would just straight, like, it didn't like that at all. So he would keep it lean on the top until the fuel came in, and then he fixed it, and then we got it perfect, man. So next video, guys, will be the 150 shot. I start putting in the pills, we go back out, do some more hits, and you know, it was a lot smoother than the 100 shot, because after he got the 100 shot down, man, it was just simple as taking some timing out and adjusting the spark, and then 150 shot was good to go. But yeah guys, we'll be back next week for the 150 shot video, man. Thank you guys so much, you know, for all the continued support. You guys always, you know, keeping it real with me, man. This was freaking amazing. I want you guys, please go check out Philip, man. I'll leave all of his information down below, and his Instagram right here, man. Check him out. His tunes will be ready for our cars very soon. My car was like a little test dummy, and you know, he got it running amazing, man. The car runs stupid good. Yeah guys, thank y'all so much for all the continued support. It's your boy 4.6Chris. See you guys later, man. Peace. Before we go real quick, guys, I wanted to show y'all my new setup. I just got this new iMac. It's freaking amazing, man. All the freaking, you know, the stuff I could do on here. And excuse my plate over here. I got my little gaming setup right here with the monitor, and then my old laptop, which doesn't get that much use anymore, man. But this thing is a freaking beast, guys. I just wanted to, you know, show that off to you guys, and you know, just let you guys know that I'm taking this stuff really serious now. We're about to hit 10K subscribers, and I wanted to step it up, man, and you know, be able to just have a powerhouse of a computer, and you know, pump out some better content to you guys, man. So yeah, that's gonna go ahead and do it. Like I said, man, please drop a like if you guys haven't already. If you're brand new, hit that subscribe button, man. Next week we have a banger video coming out. That 150 shot is amazing, man. It's amazing. So stay tuned, guys. Love you guys so much. We'll see y'all later, man. Peace.
Now why I can never do nothing right, spending days aside trying to figure out myself. I don't wanna live, don't wanna die, I don't wanna fight, but it's hard when I hate myself.